Welcome on my channel. How to make easy acrylic landscape painting. Okay, first we apply orange color. Second we apply yellow color. Now apply color step by step. Like me, I do this painting on mini canvas with flat brushes and acrylic colors. I hope you like to make this painting. Now we use mix white or yellow color and apply on your painting. At this time we apply black color for making land because this is a sunset scene. Black color is most effective color in sunset scene. First complete land or mountain what you like it. After completing land or sky I draw tree. I draw land and tree with black color. Use small brush for tree. Draw the details of. After completing details, I do something new. I hope you like and enjoy this. Now quickly complete this. This painting is so cute because this size is too small. We make tree branches in deeply and slowly. Now we make swing in black color. Everyone have a dream to swing with nature. Like this video please. Subscribe my channel for more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching my video.